Good morning to everybody. I'm there on my way. I'm there up on my journey and something just running on my thoughts a while ago. You see me? A thought came in my mind just now. And that thought is self-control. Yo, no fun not gonna say Panda is a chat too much. I mean, that's why I have this YouTube channel, so I can talk. Anyways, me not listen to no. You see, self-control is a big thing in a dog. Well, let me start the music here. Come, the music are playing on my ears. Alright. You see, self-control, people. Self-control is a big thing. Like, self-control is just, I tell you no, it's just, Jano, what am I say? Self-control is just something else, brother. I see a lot of we youths on the road, we don't have self-control. We don't have it. We don't have it. You know why me I think about self-control? And which road you take?
Oh man, when you make a overtake, you have to tap down that stone in.
Church over?
Yeah, back I chuck.
Oh. Yeah, people, so me I say self-control, not how we don't have it. You know what coming in my mind when me I think about self-control, or why me I think about it? Imagine me I learn for wheelie, and me not gonna say me have the wheelie on a certain level. What I say, me know if I lift the bike and drop the bike now. You see me? Me not toot my own hand or nothing like that. You see it? And enough time me there in the traffic, and me have this urge to just lift the bike in the traffic, you know. And then one another conscience just kick in or something just kick in and say, yo, don't do it. Do not do it. Leave that alone. And me eventually just don't do it. Me eventually just don't do it, people. So me I look on it and I say, yo, if me never have self-control, me probably would have do it. Probably I'd lift the bike. And like I'm not have the wheelie on a certain level. It could have, the bike could have fly going on one vehicle, licking on one vehicle back or something. Cause me don't have real that much control over the bike with the wheelie. So the reason why me I say that is because enough of we young youths, manners. Enough of we young youths, we on the road. We are doing a sort of thing on the road. You see me, we are ride fast, we ride irresponsible and them thing there. And you see, if we have self-control, we will look into ourselves and say, yo, John was star. No, brother, me can't do this. You see me? My mother, my father, me whoever now go really, now go impress with this. You see me? And then you will set to yourself, so you know what? What's that girl? Anyways. Yeah, bro. We said to ourselves, so yo, we're not supposed to do this. And me ease off, and me stop. Cause enough time, me I blaze it a morning time, me no brother. I blaze it and me I chop up road and me I say, yeah, kill the vehicle here. Kill the vehicle here. You see me? And just I move like a real madhead. But self-control, bro. Self-control teach me say, yo, you don't need fear. You see me? Do certain things and I move certain way up on the road, brother. I want the youth them to be more responsible and have self-control. Two of them tying together. Two of them tying together. You see it? Two of them tying together. I'm tired to see the amount of accidents them are going on the road. You know? All of them things there. So if a man can practice self-control, he will look into himself and say, yo, I'm not supposed to do this, or no, let me ease off of this, is it? self-control is key when on a bike. And another reason why I say that, the other night, whoa, the other night me I ride go home, and me I tell him me I gun it, you know, man. Shit, no, they behind him two big vehicles, you know. This not nice. And this not nice, brother. Go on, car boy. Yeah, man. Shit, me get trapped. Yeah, the other night me I blazed to go, you know. Me I tell you, I was so angry. Like, at the first me ever ride like that in our anger state. Usually me are the type of person, so when me angry at the slowest me ever ride. But me I tell you, that night there, I was so angry. Yo, I was so angry, me just said that punch the bike. I'm not realize that the bike a punch, you know. That's when me go through the square. Two man said to me, yo dog, you know, she said, Ray, I move fast. And I said, John, no, I don't know about that. I said, me just a move normal. Dog, them I said, no dog, Ray. I said, Jaja, you want to say, yeah dog. And I said, bombard. You see, next day, I slowest me ride the next day to ride it. Cause me I looked into myself. Me I do a little self-realization basically. And me I say, yo, I really saw me did a move. I really paradise that. You understand? I saw me I said to myself, you know, really this, that, really that, this. You see me? Bumba, I tell you. Me glad me have that level of thinking there to myself. You see me? Because if me do friggery, I can look back at myself and say, yo, you really do friggery, you know, you fix up. No joke. I can look back at myself and say, yo, yeah, and fix up myself. So the next time I go out there, I not do it again. You see me? I just want them and them to just practice good self-control, yeah, brother. It's a wheeler you can buy, ugly. What a frick. Sorry. I sign out for now, guys. Look, come on.